Leslie here at Truck Builders. This is going to be the tutorial for La Cucharita's food trailer. And then follow us. This is your breaker panel. As you can see over here, we have the sticker that shows every single label for all of your breaker switches. Here's your paper dispenser, your soap dispenser, your hand washing sink, and your 3-compartment. Over here you will be able to find your water heater switch and your water pump switch. We're going to go ahead and turn that on. As you can see, the water comes out. And we're going to go ahead and turn on the water heater. Close it. Go ahead and go forward. This is your water heater. Right here, you're gonna see the outlet where it's plugged into. Your detergent and your sanitizing bucket, all of your plumbing, and your water pump right there, that orange one. And then over here, you will be able to see your portable fresh water tank with a cleaning port. And that white strip coming on here is your water hose. Disclaimer, before even turning on any cooking appliances, we want to go ahead and turn on our extractor, which we have 2 in this case because of you having 2 vent hoods, and your hood lights are totally optional. We're going to go ahead and turn them on. And your hood lights now. Now we're going to show you how everything works in your cooking appliances. We're going to start with your griddle valve. We're going to go ahead and turn it on this way. We're going to go over here to your griddle. As you can see down here, here's your pilot. You're going to go ahead and use this to fire up. And you're going to come over here and switch it on to the temperature you want. As you can see, we have 3 pilots and 3 burners under. And the same process would be for all of them. Now we're going to go to our hot plate / burner valve. We're going to go ahead and open it up. Go up here, remove your burner, and you're going to grab whatever lighter you have and turn it on with your pilot. Here's your grill valve. We're going to go ahead and open it. Here's your griddle. You're going to open it up and put it on your pilot, as you can see. And you will be able to switch it around to whatever temperature works for you. Here's your fryer valve. We're going to hold it and open it up. Here is your fryer. Now you're going to go ahead and press a button down here. You're going to go ahead and put this pilot to the letter L. After that, you're going to press it for 30 seconds. After that's executed, you're going to go ahead, grab your pilot, put it there, and then you're going to adjust to the temperature required based on what you're cooking. This is your steam table, all electric, and all you have to do is adjust it based on the temperature that you're wanting. This one, the same thing. Over here, you will be able to find your emergency exit. You're gonna go ahead and open it in and out, and then you can pressure this way. This means it's locked. Now I will be giving you the overview of the whole trailer. Once again, your 3-compartment sink, your hand sink on that side. Now this is gonna be your griddle, your 4-burner, your chef base, here, your prep table, your serving table, a utensil drawer, sandwich prep table on this side, a grill, another prep table, your fryer, steam table, a under counter freezer on this side, and your single door refrigerator. On this side, you will be able to find your fire suppression system all installed with your exterior lights, interior light switch, everything labeled, as well as your light switch. Over here, you will be able to see your K extinguisher used for the fryer. And the side, you will be able to see your red extinguisher used for any other fire protections. On this side, we have shelving. On the top of this shelf, you will be able to find, on this folder, you will find it in your trailer once you receive it. You will be able to find all manual specs or any information of any appliances in the trailer, which will always be located on this top shelf. Lastly, you will be able to find your gas detector and your first aid kit mounted on this wall just in case of any emergencies. This is your exterior foldable table. As you can see, now you press this little leveler on both sides at the same time and it shuts it down. On this side, you will be able to see an exterior outlet, which is water resistant. Right here, you will be able to see a 50 amp plug where you can connect to any building, anywhere, just by twisting it, secures it to your plug. You will be able to find a 50 amp plug and a 25-foot extension cord underneath your sink, inside, with your generator box and your lock adjusted to whatever generator you like. On this side, you will be able to find a propane tank, 100 pounds, with your valve. You will be able to turn it on and off on this side. Right now it's empty, but you're able to fill it out anywhere you like. On this side, you will be able to find your water inlet. By opening, you're gonna see two inlets, a clean portable water inlet with a clean hose inlet. Both are 4 HK connectors. And on the top, you will be able to see your exhaust fans on both sides. On this side, you will be able to see some containers underneath your sink, which are for your grease traps, for your exhaust. During transit, please remove while they're full. This is how you drain your wastewater valve. You release this out and you pull this